Imagine if Americans switched from pounds to kilograms overnight. There would be mass confusion. You're welcome.
So our cabinets have arrived. We're really excited. They look pretty cool from what we can see so far. We're gonna put them up probably tomorrow. So we do have to go into the kitchen and rip down all the cabinets that we have, which is like 4. So we have to rip them down and then move out all the other random stuff we have in our kitchen at the moment. We'll get it all cleared out and ready to install these tomorrow. Again, there's no countertop because we have to install these and then remeasure to make sure the countertop is cut to the right size. So far they look great. The corner, we have 2 corner ones and they couldn't fit in the door. So we're gonna have to take the door off the back around here. We just had the delivery people leave them on the deck and we'll take the door off and bring it in ourselves. So they're kind of big, bigger than we expected for a corner piece, I guess. Didn't really think about it, to be honest. But anyway, these are here. No idea what those giant boxes are behind me, but we'll figure that out as we unwrap them. Probably from my peninsula, probably like the back of it, or I don't really know. Anyway, we'll get it unwrapped and have a look, and pretty exciting. Okay, the box actually says it's a back panel, so that's what it is. So this is one of our cabinets. I unwrapped the paper and stuff all around it. I love it. It's so cool. They're so pretty and white. And these cupboards, so they just, gotta put the knobs on them, obviously. Look at the really cool design inside of it. The company name is, I think it's called Seagull. We ordered through a different company, but Seagull's the one who actually manufactures them and sends them to the person we bought off of. But they're really cool, I love them. And then they have just like a soft close, so you just closes on its own. It's so cool. It's like super major upgrade for this place. Really love it. I could probably sit here all day and just open, close. I'll show you the knobs that I ordered as well. So these are the knobs I ordered off. I think I got them off Wayfair. So they're gonna look really sharp on there. And I bought a new stainless steel sink with a stainless steel faucet. So I thought that these like stainless steel, brush nickel, whatever they are, would look really good. Plus our fridge is stainless steel and the microwave. So I thought it would all kind of like match nicely. I really love it. I'll show you my corner cabinets. They're huge. So here's the corner cabinets. And they just, I have one, okay. So they have like a Lazy Susan in them. Pretty cool. Spin it around, get all my stuff on the top and on the bottom. So that's super awesome. And I have one for each corner of my back wall where the sink and stuff is. They're big. We had to take the door out to get them in. But I'm super pleased with what I see so far. Really, really great. I'm glad that we bought these and I'm glad that we got them pre-built because I wouldn't want to have to do that right now with doing the maple syrup and everything else too. So it's cool. They're really pretty. So we didn't want MDF cabinets, so we got all solid wood. And we got a really good price on them, so that was awesome. They look so sharp. So now we're gonna take the cabinets down behind me.
Are you just gonna stand around and eat chips all day?
Yeah. It's fun what you find when you go through your cupboards. We didn't just find chips, that'd be bad.
You just randomly found an old bag of chips?
Yeah, gross. It's gonna be so nice to have real cupboards.
Well, let's get a couple of these down here.
Yeah. Get it?
Something like, oh.
I think I got it.
She. Wham.
Yeah. This will be so much better in here. Ooh.
Where do you want this?
In the bathroom.
What else
Piece
is
of
in
wood.
there?
piece of wood fell behind us here.
Where do you want this?
I don't know, outside, I guess. I'm going to the garage. Want me to just open the door? You can take it on the deck?
That's what I was
Oh.
hoping for.
Yeah. Oh,
Good.
oh, dear. Guess I can start moving these out.
No, these sort of don't come out too easy. I must have just held
don't?
it up. They do come out, but
Yeah, I could.
it's just the hinges are kind of in the way, you know.
That was pretty easy.
That one, no, the top one.
Oh, yeah, from the hinges, yeah.
I just have to pull these out.
And pass me the next one down, and they'll all
Sec.
be out. What are you doing?
Oh, my land's all jammed in there. Frig. Some bright. It's my knee.
Jimmy, yeah.
It's from when I get hit in the head with a hammer.
Yeah, probably.
Never been the same.
No.
Jerk. I'd sue you, but I'd be suing myself.
Yeah. Holy mackerel, get up! Ow! There. What do you need me to do something?
Friggin' knee. Okay.
If you didn't have a bum knee,
That's the problem right there.
right there, because you got hit in the hammer, and now your knee's hurt.
Yeah. What am I touching? Knives or something?
Oh yeah, you are.
Am I gonna touch the cupboard?
Oh yeah.
Am I sitting on anything?
There. Now you're on the cupboard. Whew, straight to the garage with that one.
Yeah, right. Well, that's that. Right.
Yeah, that's good.
Just gotta take this off.
Take the 2x4 off.
Yeah.
I'm in here cooking and it's so weird. Like being at the counter and then looking up to grab something and there's no cabinet there. It's just the strangest feeling because I'm so used to like my stuff being right here. It like just feels so weird. Very, very strange. I only have one night of it though. So we've done all we can do tonight. We added, as you can see, a couple more boards here. The next one, we would have to remove the sink in order to run the next board. So we're just gonna wait till tomorrow when we actually do the cabinets. That way we have to remove the sink then anyway, and I have it for the rest of the night and tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's all pretty much ready. We'll take all this stuff off tomorrow, get rid of the sink, take off this little random shelf here, move the range into the position it's gonna be. Gonna have to extend the propane line.
yeah,
Figure that out.
yeah.
And all that, and then we'll put one more board here, and then we'll just kind of piece together the boards where we have to build it out, because it'll have to be built out just to match with these. So it's easier to do it. So we have our sink and everything now.
Yeah.
To just do it tomorrow. So
Yeah.
it's late anyways now. So it's nighttime and it's night.
Yeah.
Had
So
enough.
tomorrow's gonna be a big day.
We're all set for it though.
Yeah.
So man, yeah, it's
Pretty
gonna be awesome.
exciting. Yeah.
And we'll have to take the one off over there still. The
Oh,
little-
yeah.
That's literally a couple knee braces. That'd be quick.
Yeah, we could take that off, whatever.
But we're ready. This is our helper.
Yeah, she's always
Ray?
wanting to be in the videos lately. She's
Yeah.
like a staple in the videos while we're inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
That's funny.
you know, big day. So check back for that one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sweet, man. I can't wait. And then that's gonna be big. But then putting the countertop on it,
Oh,
which
that'll
we
be lovely.
once we get that on, we'll be able to cut it, get that all figured out, and then we'll actually have it totally done. Then
Yeah, that's gonna be really
So-
cool. Right, Gray?
she's like, "Come on, just pet me."
Yeah, I know. You want that?
Enough talking, more patting.
Yeah, so we better go and pet the cat.
Yeah, yeah. All right, we'll see you later.
See you in the next one.